Hello everybody, Derek here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to install Lightworks for Linux. As always, please check the Addictive Tips article in the description. Anyway, so there is support for RPMs and debs, which means that anything that runs Debian or Ubuntu, even as a base, will use it, and anything that runs on Fedora or any other kind of Red Hat distribution will work with it. Those are the only two. There is an Arch Linux way of getting it working, and we cover that in the article if you're an Arch user. But as most of you are probably Ubuntu users, I'm going to go ahead and click the download button here to start the download. Now I'm going to have this open up with the software installer because I don't feel like using dpackage right now. Now as you can see, as soon as I let that download, it opens up in GNOME Software, or Ubuntu Software Center as they call it. So lets us know that this is proprietary, and we can click the install button, enter the password, and Lightworks should be ready to go in a matter of minutes or seconds even. Okay, now we open this up here and search for Lightworks. And we have our proprietary Lightworks video editor. Now, when I go ahead and try to open up Lightworks in this virtual machine, you're going to notice something, and this isn't a problem with anything other than the fact that I'm running it in a virtual machine. I can't show you the main window because I'm not using my proprietary graphics card. However, I can get it going on my Debian install, and I will show you that now. So to get it going on Debian, it's roughly the same. You just got to install the deb package. I did have to hunt down two packages to get this to work, and that would be libssl 1.0.0 and libjpeg8. You will need to check packages.org for these, and if you do, you should be able to get Lightworks installed just fine. It's kind of a problem that it doesn't include the dependencies or use modern ones, but it does install most of them, so it's not a huge deal if you're a Debian user. You just gotta hunt for stuff. Once the installation is finished, we can open up the window. And like it wouldn't open in the VM, it should work in the main window here. And there we have it. Lightworks is loading up and getting ready to go. So guys, if you'd like to use Lightworks on Linux, please check the description below and check it out yourself. Until then, I will see you in the next video.